Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 29 and 30 of class 6 subject GK. Chapter name Yoga Poses. Yoga is a type of exercise in which you move your body into various positions in order to become more fit or flexible, to improve your breathing and relax your mind. Okay, now read each description and write the asana name in the blank space. Take help from the pictures. Now the first one, it is a transitional pose that prepares your body for other intense yoga poses. It is Bhujangasana. Okay, which one is the Bhujangasana? This one. So you have to write the spelling, that is Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. Now second one, it opens up your shoulder and chest area and stretch the spine. It is also a great way to alleviate. It is Palak Asana. Okay, so write Phalkasana, Palkasana. Okay, now third one, this asana provides a rich supply of blood to the head. It is Trikonasana. So write Trikonasana. Fourth one, this asana is beneficial for the digestive and excretory system. It also removes backache. It is Ustrasana. So this one is Ustrasana. So write Ustrasana. Fifth one, this asana increases the efficiency of digestive system. It is useful as an after meal posture. It is Vajrasana. Okay, so write Vajrasana, Vajrasana. Sixth one, this asana improves the flexibility of the trunk and cures acidity, spondylitis and kyphosis. And it is Pranayasana, this one. So write Pranamasana, Pranamasana. Seventh one, this asana helps in establishing the nervous system. It is very good pose for deep thinking. It is Virasana. So write Virasana. Eighth one, this asana removes the disease of the throat, nose, ears and mouth. It makes voice beautiful. Which asana it is? It is Simhasana. Okay, so write Simhasana, Simhasana. Okay, now turn the page. We have chapter number 30. Follow these virtues. Virtues are the very meaningful and purpose of our lives, that content of our character and the truest expression of our soul. For people of all cultures, ethnicities and beliefs, they are the essence of authentic success. Read and follow. It is good to watch movies and television, but reading enhances your vocabulary. Go to school on time. Never bunk school. Thank others for what they do for you. The people who are thankless are not liked by anyone. Now, teachers and parents are our guides. Never argue with them. Be truthful and honest. Even if you are wrong, admit it. Always be punctual for your work. Doing work late will never be appreciated. So children, with this we have completed our chapter number 29 and 30. You also have to read chapter number 30 at home 2 times, and you have to complete your work on page number 37, that is chapter number 29 in your textbooks, and you have to learn these names of asanas, and you have to follow these virtues in your life, that is on page number 38, chapter number 30. So do complete your work and follow these things in your life. Thank you.